Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes, and pay the right vendor. This week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is what the IRS 10 match does not do. So if you're a U.S. entity and you pay vendors, you need to collect the IRS Form W-9 for U.S. vendors or the applicable version of the IRS Form W-8 for your foreign or international or non-U.S. vendors. On these forms, you collect the vendor's legal name and taxpayer identification number, or TIN. Then, so your company does not incur fines and penalties if that information collected is wrong, you verify the vendor's legal name and TIN matches IRS records. So easy enough. The validation is even free through IRS e-services once your vendor team members register. But the IRS 10 match only offers that one validation. Here are two additional vendor validations that you are missing out on if you only do the IRS 10 match. The first one is validate charitable status. You want to verify that the charity is a valid charity within the IRS, which is important not only to verify that the charity is real and not a fake charity, but it can also help your company determine if payments to these vendors can be deducted from corporate tax filings. Now, this is a separate tool to verify the charitable status of exempt organizations within the IRS site, so be sure to check the description if you need that link. The second one is the Office of Foreign Assets and Control, or OFAC. U.S. entities and individuals are prohibited from doing business with vendors that appear on these watch lists. If you're not checking before you set a new vendor up or on a recurring basis in case your vendor is added to a watch list after you onboard them, your company can incur both civil and criminal penalties that can be more significant than what the IRS charges or fines and penalties what they assess associated with vendor legal name and tax ID combination errors. So if you are not doing the IRS 10 match, start today. If you are not performing separate validations for charities or OFAC watch lists, start today. And those validations don't have to be separate. You can do all three and more using tools that combine validations. So I will have a link in the description to a blog post for one such tool, along with an opportunity for more training on vendor validations. If you would like more information on how to combat fraud, please go to my website, debrarrichardson.com, for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and just bad vendor data. So good luck, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.